If you're facing an account review on Zelle, it's important to understand the process and how to navigate it effectively. Follow these steps to manage your account review smoothly. Step 1. Understand the review process. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Check your email and notifications. Look for any communication from Zelle or your bank regarding the review. They may have sent instructions or requests for additional information that you'll need to address. Step 3. Gather required information. Prepare any necessary documents or information that may be requested during the review. This could include identification, proof of address, or transaction history. Step 4. Contact customer support. If you have questions or need clarification, reach out to Zelle's customer support or your bank support team. They can provide guidance and help you understand the next steps. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting any requested information, keep track of your account status. If you don't receive updates within a reasonable time frame, follow up with customer support to ensure your review is progressing. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your account review on Zelle. Stay patient and proactive throughout the process for the best results.